Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be doing a Too Good To Go mystery bag from Morrison's. So we're going to start off with, originally this was in a box, but I couldn't carry it and I had a bag for life, so I shoved it all in a bag for life. So we're going to start off with, these are some peaches. That was £2 and then £1.70. This bag for This mystery bag was £3.9p, and then let's see how much value this was, and it's out of date today. So this is from Morrison's. These, to start off with, is these Nectarines. Was £2, then £1.70, then whatever it was supposed to be. Actually, this is out of date tomorrow. Up next is some potatoes. Was 74p, reduced to 63p, well, 63p. Some blueberries. This was £3, reduced to £2.54, and this was included in the £3.9 whole lot of the mystery bag. I don't know what I'm doing with my fingers in the mystery bag. So this is a bunch of beetroots. Originally £1.75, reduced to £1.49. Mushrooms, so these are woodland mushrooms. Was £1.50, and then they cut it to £1.20. The carrots and broccoli and Brussels sprouts, out of date today, was £1, cut down to 50p. Reduced carrots was £1, down to 60p. Some bananas that looks probably squished. So this was 75p, now 64p. Little, oh yes, bruised and squished. Probably should have put other better at the top of the bag. So these are some more mushrooms. So these are button mushrooms. Out of date today was 90p, cut down to 77p. Asparagus, out of date today, was £1.85, cut down to £1.55. Ready to eat beetroot was £1.35, cut down to 95p, and it's out of date today as well. Already getting the value of the £3.9p bag a few items ago. So this is reduced rice noodles. This is £1.50. It was £1.50, cut out to £1.27. Was originally a £3 deal. Out of date, it's probably out of date. Yep, out of date today as well. This will be a nice lunch. Some parsley. That was originally 75p, cut down to 64p. Grapes. So it was £1.99p, cut down to £1.69, and it's out of date. Yep, today. A lot of fruit and veg. Reduced fresh this is clearly not thyme, it is apples. Out of date today, so it was £75p, 60p. Oh, lots of fruit and veg. So a pack of pears, out of date also today, part of the 2 for £3. So this was £1.85, down to £1.57. And lastly, peppers was 89p, and now 76p, and then was 76p, which is also probably out of date today as well. All of this was £3.9p. Please do comment below your thoughts of please do comment below with your thoughts about this mystery bag, or if you tried a Too Good To Go bag before and what your experience is. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my face page for more content.